Okay, 2019 17 Montauk. Galvanized swing tongue single axle trailer with guide posts. On the outside here you'll see the swim step with the ladder and the teak dressing on it. That prop is perfect, skeg is perfect, motor is perfect, 1.9 hours. Not even a screw put in. Depth finder's glued onto a piece of starboard. That was an existing screw holding the wire. The boat will convey with anchor, life jackets, fire extinguishers, horn, and a couple dock lines. Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax. Greetings from west of Boca Raton, Florida, where I'm going to show you this absolutely perfect, better than new, get this, 1.9 hour Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Yeah, 1.9 hours. Meticulous owner here. This is of his own design with the VHF and GPS and antenna mount. There are no holes drilled in the boat. That's just set in the cup holders if you don't like it there. Lift out, disconnect. How about a fusion stereo on a 17 with Bluetooth? Another cool feature of this engine is it has the SmartCraft module with the Bluetooth, so you can actually get all your engine instrumentation on your phone and share any alarms with your dealer or mechanic over your phone directly. The VHF has an antenna mounted here, just a simple collar, beautiful Shakespeare antenna that folds down to get you under low bridges or when trailering. I don't see any corrosion, any rust, anything wrong with this boat at all. It has never been used in saltwater. No dents, no scratches. There is the full cushion set. If you look at the still photos, you'll see all the cushions in place, as well as them flipped over with all the snaps there. Look at the shine on your chock and nav light. It will include a galvanized single axle trailer with brake. There is a boot for the bimini top. The full cushion package, like I said. Here's the cooler up front with the seat cushion, the rocket launchers, and the knife and pliers holders. Teak step pads, port and starboard. The nice rail option, keep the kids in the boat. There's your nav light. You can either have it as the step, but he also has the seat and the backrest for both sides, as well as a magma cleaning table that will convey. This is a beautiful 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke, hydraulic assist steering, stainless steel prop, not a nick, scratch, or ding. Please see all the still photos. Save money over new. Better than new with covers, electronics, speakers, cushion package, teak step boards, guideposts on the trailer, ready to go. Call Mike Ehrlich at MarineMax, 954-684-1375. Thanks for checking it out.